this video we're gonna look at how to edit a photo or an image, how to remove the background color. For example, this is a screenshot I took from a Amazon website of a juicer. You know how to take a screenshot, right? It's Command Shift and 4 and select the area and it will click a screenshot. So how to edit this? Make sure you open that image, whatever image you are seeing, and open with preview. So this is inbuilt tool within Mac OS, so you don't have to go around in search of Photoshop or any other tool. I'm just enlarging this for your better visibility. Now I'm full screen. So next thing I'm gonna click is the edit button here, the pencil button, show markup toolbar. So once you click that, all the edit options will show on your top right. So we're gonna select this magic wand, which is called instant alpha, and once you select that, you will see a plus icon for your cursor. And if you select an area and move your mouse little bit, that will select a particular area and you will see this dotted lines of that area. All you have to do is make sure you select the right area, or else just if you over selected, then just click outside, it will deselect. So make sure you select exactly as needed. You can do multiple things. So once I selected this area, click on delete, it's deleted. And same applies here as well. So here the glass is transparent, so I'm gonna be a little careful here. So I'll go from the bottom actually. So I'll just select this area, delete. So we can go step by step instead of deleting everything at once. So glass, as I said, glass must be a little careful, right? This seems to be okay. Still didn't like it. So these are white on white, so that's why we have some problem. This is okay. Select delete, and then this, and then this. It's just a sad shadow, so we can delete that as well. So you got the essence, right? The whole purpose of this tool is to select the area and then click on delete. In that way you can delete the background. This is inbuilt tool. You have to be a little patient, not as perfect as Photoshop, but you will get your work done. You see how intelligent it is to automatically capture. And once you have selected, made your choice, then just click on. So for now this is okay, I'm okay with this, so I'm gonna just click on save, and it's saved. So every time you open this image, it will be a PNG image. You see that? So this is how you remove the background, and thanks for watching. We'll meet soon in the next video.